What's up, guys? Today's Friday, April 15th or 16th or something like that. So today we're gonna go pick up a power washer. We have to pick up a desk. Got some new toys for everyone to play with. And then I guess we'll go from there. Then we'll check in to see what Dave's working on. So then, what's up, guys? So just came out of Lowe's, picked up the power washer. And I think I gotta go pick up lunch or coffee or something, and then I'll see you guys at the clubhouse. What's up, guys? So we're back at the clubhouse, and this is what I got from Amazon. Wholesale kit, just for little projects that we got going on. Joe, what year is your car?
92.
So this is Joe's silver 92 3000 GT VR4. I guess he's doing brakes today, and he's doing
Sway bar.
sway bars.
Right there.
That's Josh not doing anything, ever.
Sway bar.
Yeah, sway bar. Sway bars.
Jump. Get the new one. Get the new sway bar.
You getting a new exhaust too, or no?
No, I had that. Take a picture of my front calipers. The big 6-piston calipers.
6 pistons, dude.
right.
No, yo, we're doing 8s now, bro. What are you doing?
They know 8s. Nobody has 8s except for Bill. I come from fucking
For now.
North Korea.
Yeah, for now.
I can't even get my spare tire on that.
So now that the rear sway bar is in, Dave's installing those new end links that Jay made. And in a few seconds, he's going to be doing the front.
Front's done.
Yo, what's Dave doing? Drinking a college.
Ain't doing
Got him!
There's Josh, still not doing anything.
Spinning his wheels.
Doge. Yeah, Doge. So, just picked up these straps. We're gonna go pick up the desk now. It's only about 2 miles away from the shop, and then pick up the video up once we get back. So we just got the desk, and we're heading back to the clubhouse, and then I'll show you everything once it's installed, because us taking it out of the truck is not going to be sexy. All right, so desk is in. That's an old office chair that we saved from when we first moved in here.
Snap-on shit.
Look at this fucking old guy eating salad. Unbelievable. What's everybody eating bowls?
I want to be around to torment you a few more
Listen,
years.
deep fry it like a man right there. Empanadas.
What are you? I am called empanada, and I taste very good, I promise you.
All right, so we're back at the clubhouse. I got some stuff from Amazon for this big chemical guy's order we have in. So that's just to break it up. So this was like $6 and this was like $8. I don't know what the difference is, but I guess we'll figure it out. Got a bacon, egg, and cheese croissant. And then I got this. So chemical guy sells their brushes for about like $9 or $8 each.
Hey, you want this bacon, kid?
Dude, why would you eat a bacon, egg, and cheese and take the bacon out? But
Anyway,
anyway,
mad bacon, you know? Whatever.
so they got this. There are horsehair brushes.
Horse cock?
Yeah. And I got this. So these are white. White is for light duty stuff like carpets, wheels. It came with all these scouring pads. Like that. I brought this because we got to make little placards for the car show. Dave wasted another $500 on this. These are professional nose pickers that come with a case. And then pick up the video in a few seconds. So the other clubhouse, and apparently Dave said there was going to be a surprise waiting for me. What do we got here? It's a freaking popcorn machine. It's like, the hell? It's a freaking popcorn machine. That's crazy. What the hell? Well, apparently the clubhouse has a new snap-on popcorn machine. I think I'll put the covers on today. So I wanted to show you guys what we picked up from last week. Got this file cabinet from a office liquidation spot. Oh yeah, wait, one more thing. So I got that office chair from the liquidation spot. I paid $150 for it, but apparently it's a $800 or $900 chair. Pick these up. These are just regular hanging file cabinets. Those are $10 each, and it came with these racks, which you're gonna like custom mount to like I don't know, like a piece of wood, and then mount it on the wall, because those cabinets, or these cabinets, are made for cubicles. We also picked up this from the office liquidation place. These are just stainless steel legs, but they're new old stock, which we're gonna make counters for. Originally, I was gonna use that piece of wood over here and cut it up to make it a counter for it, make a counter. But they had these at these office liquidation places, and they're just massive piece of, I don't know if it's particle board, but or melamine board or whatever it is, but it's crazy, crazy heavy. And it has these cutouts that you could just flap up and down. They're mounted on brass hinges, so that's good for outlets, which are gonna mount over here someplace.
Thank from me. You got your very own snap-on pizza oven.
Yeah,
You're gonna need 2 people to help you carry this one out.
yeah.
What? Shit.
No, 60 pounds, 60-pound load. Hey man, what's up?
How are you? Tell me Bill's going.
Pizza oven.
Damn.
I want the first slice, all right? Black and red, glossy black, red anodized trim, KRL 1023 with power. Got a power cord inside. We got a holster for all the guns, all the 1/2-inch 3/8 impact guns, battery powered stuff. And a chance to grow with workstations, lockers, maybe a top box.
Yeah.
Where we go? Yeah, Ken. Yeah, buddy. Get up there.
You got no place to
Yo,
put it.
congrats. Thank you. I appreciate you guys. You guys are awesome.
Yeah, that's big.
That's what she said.
He's still wiping on. You want some wax?
You got it, baby.
He's got that in McGuire.
Compliments.
No.
Snap on. All right, here we go. Your very own new keys. Here's your gun holster setup.
Where's the power?
So you don't have to set that up. It's a great case drawer, but I found that guys will set it up, and it has all different heights. You could put 1/2-inch 3/8 guns. You have your power drawer here. This cable plugs in the back of the box and then into the wall from the back. USBs and outlets. Keep your stuff charging, lock the box, batteries are ready to go when you come in. That's a patent system right there. You see this on the track, the gear? Cable never gets caught up, the electric cord never gets bound up, and keeps everything moving nice. They did something different on this box. You have deeper drawers instead of all them 2-inch drawers.
Yeah.
That way, a lot of stuff comes in cases. You could fit it, you know? So we got 2 sets of liners. These are no good. There was a factory cut them too short.
Oh.
They caught it when the box went out. So, hold on. Uh-oh. Here we go. Here's the real deal.
So you get the throwaway.
And right here, there's something extra cool about this. It's called the speed drawer.
Pegboard.
The speed drawer is your matching glossy black dividers. You could set this up later, or you could throw this mat in here and use it as a regular 2-inch drawer. But what's nice is you set up compartments for left-handed bits and roll-lock adapters and fuses and electrical stuff.
Oh shit, it's like a grid.
And yeah, and then what's cool is if you set those compartments up, if you're using a lot of left-handed bits and carbide burrs, it gets nasty and there's metal shavings and things like that. You can take a blowgun and blow it out. You know what I mean?
That's cool. I didn't realize that was there.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Bread box, cases, extra deep drawers, of course your writing surface. You can take that out if you don't like it. It's a good area to write a service order or something, you know. And the coolest is your 3 extra wide, extra deep drawers.
And this one has 2 of
Running
the.
around and filling this thing up.
You're gonna have some space.
I'm gonna have some space. Finally.
Yeah, fuck yeah. That's a good thing.
For
And
farms.
an option to grow later. You know, you could add lockers, tops, sides, or maybe a matching roll cart later. You know? Good luck. My spiel is over. All right. Cut the camera.